is here? Alright, let me. We were gonna wait for 4 minutes and call everybody, okay? Oh, my neck hurts. Okay. Alright, I'm calling you. Hi, Akash. Student of the year. Hi, Adam. Hi, Isaac. Even though I know you probably cannot talk, but hi.
Hello, sorry, my sister was playing violin.
Okay, your sister is so talented. Hi, Laziz. All right, so do you know if your best friend Akash gonna join us or no today? He said he gonna work today, but I don't know.
Is he working? Aziz?
I don't know. No, I don't know. Oh, okay, you guys are talking.
Okay, wait, okay, let me ask him.
Okay.
Isaac, talk. Isaac.
Okay. Isaac probably cannot talk.
Isaac.
All right, so you have the video chat, and also I need you to pull up the worksheet from last time on Google Classroom and also the live stream. Okay, so you
You
should.
didn't assign any Khan Academy units, Leah.
I just did a minute ago, but yes,
Oh.
yes, but tomorrow you can do it, and the due date is the Sunday after spring break. So you have like 10 days to do them. All right, turn my live off so I don't need to hear myself again. I hate to hear
Like
me.
a live stream.
Yes. Who is that? Still have the. Okay, now it's quiet. Perfect. So in the live stream, you should see the worksheet now, right? Are you seeing the worksheet? Hi. All right. So let's start with what we didn't finish last time, example 2. Okay, everybody on here? Oh, I see. Hold on 1 second. All right. I see everybody left. Darn it. Okay. Okay, Laziz is back. Oh my god, I gotta roll my eyes on him. Okay, hold on. They're trying to call me. Okay, I do not even know how to answer the phone call.
You can't join, dumbass.
Alright. Okay, I lost my screen. Okay, here. Okay, he's now coming, right?
I guess not. He didn't pick up.
Alright. It's okay. He decided to come, he can join. If not, then it's not. Okay, so let's keep going with example 2. So if you are in my live stream, you should see the worksheet now. Okay. Okay. So last time we did the complete square, and on your Khan Academy there is one exercise for that. Okay, complete square. Okay, and then use the standard form. We want to find the vertex. Okay, and the axis. Okay. So vertex, so according to the definition over here, the vertex is just hk. It's the h inside here after minus and k. So this one, what is my vertex? Anybody? So what is my vertex over here? Should be over here if you change this to negative. So this number should be -2, right?
Who is Tim Tay?
What happened?
Someone named Tim Tay just said 37.
37? Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
What has happened? What just happened? Hi, welcome, whoever you are, okay? So the vertex, I will close that. So vertex for this one from the standard form will be the -2. Okay, let me highlight this part. -2 as your x-axis and -1. Okay, my highlighter does not work. Can you see anything? I can't see anything on mine. All right, -2, -1. So -2, -1 is over here, right? Okay, so this is our vertex. I do not know how to draw. Do you know how to draw? Alright. Oh, no. I don't know how to draw. Okay, let me use decimals. So my vertex is -2, -1. Okay, here's my vertex. Alright, and then the axis. The definition of axis over here is it's a line in between. It's a line of symmetric. Okay, so the line of symmetric will be the line in the middle, the line over here. So what's this line called? From here to here. What's that called?
Wait, which line?
There's one called asymptote?
Well, it's not the asymptote. The definition of asymptote is the line close to that but never touch. This one is the line of symmetric. So
Right.
is this line called x equals to -2?
Yeah.
Look how pretty it is. X equals to -2. So this one, x equals to -2 is your axis. Okay, so let's go ahead graph this on the graph so you will know what that looks like. 2x squared plus 8x plus 7. 2x squared plus 8x plus 7. Do you see that vertex is over here? -1, -2, -1. And here's your axis. And then find your point. And get it. Alright? Okay,
Yeah.
so another question for you. So if this is your function standard form, can you tell me what transformation is it from the parent function?
Miss, yeah, you need to check the chat.
Huh? Oh,
You need to check the chat.
okay, hold on. This is too much things to do. Okay, give me a second. Alright, you guys answering question over there?
It has to be Adam. It can't be anybody else. No one knows how to do that stuff.
Okay, who are they?
It's Adam using his different YouTube accounts. Well,
Okay.
I don't have that many YouTube accounts.
Okay, 1 second. Who is Tim Tay?
It's a tennis.
Okay. Alright. Who are you? And who is Supreme Putin?
That's over here.
Just Javier. Javier, you're here. You are not in the video chat. Why is that?
I don't know. Hey, you see, I don't know if Andrew.
Who
Tay is Andrew.
who is Andrew? Andrew who?
Andrew McDaniel.
No, he used a different account in my another class.
You could have like 3 different YouTube accounts. You never know.
Okay, alright. So who is... Okay, stop making names. Okay, this guy need to be get muted. I gonna mute you, okay? Alright, okay. Let's focus on what we're doing. Do we have Andrew Bryan in Princeton? Who is that guy?
First names.
Who is that dude?
Can I use this one?
Okay. Alright, do whatever you want, okay? I'm gonna keep going. So this function is with vertex -1, -2, -1, and axis at x equal to -2. Transformation, please. Hi, Isaac. Isaac, hi. Alright, so transformation. Adam,
Yes.
transformation from the parent function.
Which one?
It's the first one. Are you still looking at it? So this one from the parent function was a transformation.
Down 1.
Down 1.
Right 2.
Look, she's the only one answering my question. Down 1. Right 2. Is that right 2 or left 2?
That's right.
So over here is x minus -2. So x plus 2. So it's left or right? Akash, left or right?
Right? Oh.
Right.
Okay, so this one is actually... Okay, let me copy this.
That's right.
Am I crazy or you are crazy?
I said right too.
Is that
Oh,
right?
that's left too.
Does that make sense to you, Akash? Okay, Akash, are you looking at me? Left 2, thank you, Tim. Whoever you are, I still don't know. Alright, let's keep going. So,
And then you stretch by 2.
stretch by 2, vertical stretch or horizontal stretch?
It doesn't matter.
Vertical.
So over here, always vertical stretch. When it's horizontal stretch, it should be a 2 in front of that. Exactly. Okay? Vertical stretch.
Adam,
by 2. Okay? Anything else or that's it?
Sorry?
Anything else or that's it?
That's it.
That's it. Everybody agree? I do. Alright, are we
Yeah.
focusing on me or I don't know. I like Adam. Okay, we all like Adam. Shorty, no?
Look what short number says.
Okay, guys, can we use our own name? Alright, can you change your name to your own name, please? No matter if you are in the class or not.
That's not me.
Alright, stop, okay? Okay, I gonna... You can now change... Okay, who is Supreme Putin?
Wasn't that Java here?
Alright, I gonna... Who is Do Incure?
What?
Alright, just... Okay, I need to... You know what? Let's do Incure. I need to...
Turn the comment section off.
Yeah, make him quiet for a second.
She did.
Alright, we're gonna say put user in time, okay? And then who else need to put in user in time? Who is Supreme Putin again? So it's Javier?
No, it's not Javier.
Who is that? Who is that?
I don't know.
We don't know who these people are.
Alright, put in time. Who is Tim?
You were not me.
Who is Tim? Nobody Tim? Okay, put Tim in time. Alright, okay, all of them are gone. Alright. Okay, let's keep going. Alright, so let's look at our second function. You see that? So yesterday we complete square. We got 3x minus 1 squared plus 1. Tell me where is the vertex? Laziz.
What?
Where is the vertex?
No idea. Ask her what's a vertex first. Ask her what's a vertex first.
So do you see like over here where we find the vertex is this -2, okay, and -1.
So to be a -1.
So this one should be what?
-1.
-1 and 1.
So here should be +1 because it should be the number after the negative. So we ignore this negative, and over here is +1 and +1 outside. All right, does that make sense to you?
No.
It does not. Okay, that's fine. Let's figure out what's the transformation first. What's the transformation?
Okay. Well, up 1.
Up 1,
Right
right
1.
1,
And then stretch vertically by 3.
vertical stretch by 3. Okay, everybody agree with that?
Yeah.
Yes, Laziz, you agree with
Yeah.
that? Okay, so think about the vertex used to be 0, 0, right? Guys, used to be 0, 0. We're gonna do up 1, right 1. Then the vertex become what? 1, 1. That's where the 1, 1 come from.
Yeah.
And if you just see it from the standard form, the first one is from the x minus 1, the 1 after the minus, okay? And then the vertex, another one over the y-axis is the outside +1. So that is where 1, 1 come from. Does that make sense? Better?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's graph it on the picture. We know 1, 1 is our vertex, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're gonna use this to graph. So if this is our vertex, where's our axis?
It can be anywhere.
Should be x equals to 1. Does that make sense? This is my axis. This is the line of symmetric. Yes. Okay, so axis is x equals to 1. All right. Okay, So, and then when you graph it, you're gonna vertical stretch by 3. So original graph, if we have, like, let me graph the original one. Y equals to x squared. Okay, if this is the original one, the second point we're gonna go right 1 up 1. Okay, so vertical stretch by 3, we're gonna go right 1 up 3, and you have this point 2 4. And on the left, you will have over here, this is a line of symmetric. This point is what?
3. We have 3 1.
0 4. Where do 3 1 come from?
I don't know. You said you got vertical stretch by 3, so 1 3 times it by 3.
Oh, I got you. Akash, we move first. So if you vertical stretch by 3, you have to use you use your new axis. So you're gonna go up by 3. That's right, but you have to do right 1 up 1 as well.
Okay.
Okay.
That'd be 2 2 3 3 4 4.
I'm not sure what you're talking about. Are you looking at the screen right now?
Yeah, that's more screen.
Okay. Oh, it's a little delay. I got you. Okay. All right. So this is your new graph. Okay. As long as you know, like what the transformation is, what's the axis, what's the what's that called, vertex, that's fine. You can use decimals to help you to solve the question. Okay.
Okay.
All right. One more thing for this graph. What is the minimum for the graph?
1 1.
When we talk about minimum, we talk about this point, right? So the minimum of this graph is 1.
1 1.
1 1.
We're just talking about the y. The minimum, the lowest value of the function is 1. Yes.
1.
Do they have a maximum?
No.
No.
It's infinite.
No, it does not. What is the domain for this function?
All real numbers.
All real numbers from negative infinity to infinity. Okay. What is the range for this function?
1 to infinity.
1 to infinity, yeah.
1 to infinity, 1 close infinity. Okay, does that make sense? Akash, good?
Yeah.
Laziz, good?
Sure.
Sure, that's not right. Okay, so I have 2 more. Let's try this too. Okay, first of all, we're gonna complete square. Okay, we're gonna do this together. So let me pull the camera back up. We'll do that together. So do you wanna try it first? Use whatever we used yesterday, and let me write down the question on the board. Hey, 小宝, my dog is here. All right, you see me?
X out on this one?
Huh?
Would you take an X out on this one? It would be like X plus.
Oh, you're gonna take a negative 1 out. We never take x out. We get rid of the a. We take a out. So a over here is negative 1. So take negative 1 out.
Minus 6 X parentheses minus 8.
Adam,
Yeah.
you are this guy's friend.
Wait, what?
He said he's your friend, which is fine. I can give you my classroom code.
Give him the classroom code. Why would you do that?
Why not? He wanna learn. Am I not allowed to do that or something?
Why would you give a random person your classroom code? Yeah, come on.
Because he wanna learn. Okay, it's a classroom code, confidential stuff.
Isaac said do not. Come on, Lucia.
All right.
And I know what.
BS.
Why would you do that, Lucia?
Huh?
Your stream like froze.
My.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So that is a useful information.
She's giving custom codes there.
Gave him the code like just like that.
That's what I'm saying, Lucia. Chill out.
What's wrong with that? What is wrong with that?
I bet it's not even the right one.
It is the right one. Alright, is that back? Am I back? Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, I need to change a setting. Change the setting.
You guys, water is good for you. Drink your water. Your H2O.
Aziz, tell her how much water did you drink for soccer? Hydrate.
Oh, they can post stuff. It's okay. If they try to mess up my classroom, I will kick them out.
I will trigger them in the first.
Alright, so are you ready? Did you write this down in the paper? On the paper? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Everybody, yes? Laziz, yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So first of all, we need to take A out. In this question, A is this negative. Okay? We're gonna take that out. I cannot see myself anymore.
Take
That's
negative
not...
1 out.
Yes, take negative 1 out. So take negative 1 out only for the first two terms. Okay? Negative x squared. Take negative 1 out here. So that will be negative 6x minus 8.
Minus 8. What do you take the square root of now?
Huh?
What do you take the square root
It'll
of
be x
now?
plus 3 and x minus 3.
Yes. Hold on. Let's do it step by step. Do you all see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and now we need to add something and subtract something on here. Okay? We're gonna add something, add a number, subtract a number. That's what we did yesterday, right?
Plus 3 minus 3. I didn't either. I didn't learn anything.
You didn't learn anything, then what's the point? Alright.
Because you didn't put the Khan Academy yesterday. You put it today.
Alright, I'm sorry. Tomorrow you will see it, okay? So we're gonna plus a number minus a number. So when you plus a okay, that is a valid code. Okay, BS4FGHG. That's a valid code. That's really our code.
Is it capital and lowercase? Did you
No.
look at that?
No, it's just all
Maybe it only
lowercase.
works for Viking Mail.
Oh,
Yeah.
it only works for Viking Mail. If you don't have a Viking Mail, then I don't know how to help you, okay? Alright. So the number we're gonna plus, we're gonna take the b divided by 2 and then square it. What is your b?
B is 6.
Negative 6. Okay? Negative 6 divided by 2 is what? It's negative 3.
Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what is negative 3 squared?
9.
9. So we're gonna plus 9
Plus 9 is
minus 9. Okay? Alright. And the next step, we're gonna write it down square. So over here, x. And here it will be the divided by 2 thing. You find it.
So negative x.
Hold on. What, when you square it, it becomes positive, doesn't it? Yes, it does. So over here, negative 3 squared turn to positive 9. Right? And then you're gonna subtract 9 to make this equivalent. So you're gonna add a 9 here and subtract a 9 to make it equivalent. Okay? Alright. So over here, okay, I'm going too fast. So this step, are you okay with it? Complete square.
Okay.
This step.
Yeah.
Okay, and over here, what number I gonna put here?
Anything.
Just a random number.
Just this number we find.
1.
Negative 3.
Bruh. Favorites.
Okay, so the number you find over here, you're gonna put it here. Okay, and then we're gonna get rid of this negative 9 inside. So negative times negative 9 is what? Distribute the negative times negative 9.
So positive 9.
Positive 9, subtract by 8. Okay, and then we get rid of the constant term, x minus 3 square plus 1. That's it.
Yep.
That's it.
Yes, we are completing the square. Again, let me repeat the process. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna take a out. So take a out is over here. You're gonna take that out, and then you're gonna find the b. How to find the b? Is you're gonna get the negative 6 divided by 2. Complete square plus this number square, make it equivalent, subtract this number. Okay, and then put the number you find over here, and then take this constant, take this number out. You do negative 1 times negative 9 is positive 9, and minus 8. So over here you got plus 1, you finish the whole process. Okay?
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
So let me this screen is over here. If you want to copy it down, you can like make the live video go back a little bit. You can pause it, look at it again. Okay, let me give you my screen back, and then we're gonna finish rest of the question. Find me the vertex. So let me write this
Vertex of
down.
that?
Yes. So
1 and negative 3.
okay, very good. Hold on 1 second. Let me put it down. Negative. What I'm doing is I just write it down what we find earlier. Okay, so if you didn't take notes, you won't be lost.
So Missy, we're not doing this tomorrow, like the rest of the week, right? 'Cause it's spring break.
Spring break, I just have several Khan Academy. So far, I assigned you 4 of them, and
Wait,
maybe
you're
I.
doing homework over spring break.
Okay, Adam, just be quiet. And those ones you can finish tomorrow, so I'm not like bullying you.
It's
Okay.
only 4 Khan Academy topics.
So far 4. I will get you more to preview for Monday's lesson. So maybe like 8 in total. Okay.
But we're not facing
Yes,
that
yeah.
Yes.
spring break.
You think there's gonna be a graduation?
I don't know. Like, is the graduation
They're
still
divided
on?
up. They're gonna divide it up since we can't have more than 100 people in one place. They're gonna make groups of 50.
Yes, I will be in every one of them for you.
I don't want that. I want everybody.
All right. Okay. So Laziz, what is a vertex? Negative 3 and 1. Okay. Yes, I think you said it right. And Kash, are you saying random stuff?
1 and negative 3.
Negative 3 and 1. This is our x. The 1 is our
What?
1. Okay, hold on. It's positive 3 and 1. Laziz is right. Okay, positive 3 is over here. 1 is over here. You need to find x minus the number. The number is your x, and 1 is your 1. Okay? And then find me, this time they ask for x-intercept, but let's get the axis anyway. What is the axis? Will be x equals to what?
Anything.
Why?
1.
X equals to 3.
3. X equal to 3. Okay? And what is your x-intercept? How to find x-intercept?
Is it right there?
How do you find that?
How do you find x in? You're gonna make y equal to 0, right?
Okay, but what's the y in here?
So y in here is just the function output fx. So you're gonna make everything equal to 0. So negative x minus 3 square plus 1 equals to 0. And you're gonna solve for x.
Okay, what do you make it 0?
So over here is fx, which is your y, right?
Okay.
Equals to this. So you make y equal to 0, and so you have the whole thing. Just make the whole thing equal to 0. So for
0
x.
equals negative x squared.
Yep. Yes.
0 equals negative x minus 3 squared plus 1, right?
Yes. Alright, so let's solve it.
How would you solve this?
How do you solve this? Can you subtract 1 each side?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you got?
1 equals negative x minus 3 squared.
Okay, so minus 1 each side, you have this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
Then
Can you divide it by
both sides by -1.
divided by or multiply each side by -1? So get rid of
get
negative.
rid of the negative, yeah.
Okay, and then what?
It's positive 1.
Can you square root each side? Yes or no? Can you square?
No.
You can square root each side, but over here you need to be careful when you square root each side. You need to make this one positive or negative. So x minus 3 equals to square root of 1 is 1, positive 1, or x minus 3 equals to negative 1. Okay?
What?
So think about it. If something square equals to 1, then this thing have to be equals to positive 1 or negative 1 in order to the square of it is 1.
Yeah, we can just
Okay,
remove the
but that would
squares.
just give me plus minus 1 is equal to x minus 3.
Yes, exactly. I just read it separately because they gave you different answer. Okay? So for it, x minus 3 equals to 1, x equals to what?
4,
4,
plus or minus 4.
4 and 2.
x equals to 2. Akash read it separately. X minus 3 equals to 1, and add 3 each side, x equals to 4. The other one, x minus 3 equals to negative 1 plus 3 each side, x equals to 2.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, so what is your x-intercept?
4 or 2.
Yep. How to write it in coordinate form? We have two x-intercept, right?
4, 0, 2, 0.
4, 0, and 2, 0. Thank you. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay?
I mean, you're just saying that's it, like that's it, but that's a lot.
That's a lot. Yes, you are right. That's a lot. Okay, B, can you try it yourself?
Who do you think I am? Is here trying that by myself?
Okay, I think you are Akash Patel, exactly, and I think you can try it yourself. If you open the worksheet, the note is over there, okay? So I'm gonna switch the screen back to me. And I will copy the question on the board. And by the way, my dog is going crazy right now, so.
My dog is going crazy too downstairs. She gets
Yes.
barky.
So I'm not so sure if anything get broke or not. We will see after this session. Ooh, he's here. Look, 小宝，你过来。小宝，come on。看，小宝，absolutely crazy. Is this one, do you need to take anything out? Is there anything
No.
in front of x squared? There's nothing in front of x squared.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's put a negative in front of it. Just for you can do
Why would
something.
you put a negative in front of it?
Okay, then no negative. Alright, no negative.
She wants to make it complicated than it already is.
Yes. Okay, no negative. Okay, no negative. So you know if they have negative, you have to take out negative. Okay? Okay, no negative. So no negative. The first step, you don't really need to do anything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you just need to find the number to plus and adding and subtract.
Okay, plus 4 minus 4, because negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4.
Thank you. Does everybody got it? Okay, hold on 1 second. I dropped my pen. All right. So over here, negative 4 divided by 2 is what?
I gotta use this.
Negative 2.
It's negative 2. And negative 2 square is
4.
4. So over here we're gonna plus 4 minus 4.
Minus 4.
Okay? And then the next step will be x, and what I gonna put in here?
Plus 4 minus 4.
So what I need to put here, Akash?
Minus
Negative
2.
2.
You put minus 2.
Negative 2. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay? And then over here we need to get rid of this negative 4. So how to get rid of this negative 4?
Minus 4 still.
Minus 4.
Yeah, minus 4.
Plus 3.
Very good. X minus 2 squared. Negative 4 plus 3 is?
Minus 4.
Okay.
That's the answer.
Okay.
Yep.
You got it. Good job.
You forgot to put the 1 in the front.
You don't need to. But
Oh.
yes, that's a very good point. You need to know that, okay? Even though I didn't put it, and you need to know over there is a 1. Okay? All right. So anybody can find me the vertex.
Negative 2, 1. Negative 1.
Negative 2, negative 1, or 1, 2, negative 1.
Negative 2, 1.
All right.
Negative 2, negative 1.
Different answer.
What is it?
What is it? Let's see what it is.
2, negative 1. Aziz, tell it.
Shut up. I'm trying to do something.
Okay, what are you trying to do?
What are you trying to do? Physics? Physics?
Hanil,
School's gonna be closed.
tell him. Tell him what is a vertex.
Okay, wait, go to text.
The vertex is. Oh shoot.
It's negative 2, negative 1.
Yeah, negative 2, negative 1.
All right, different answer.
You see it?
We're gonna. Okay, I need to
I can
get.
put your house right now.
Adam,
You
what?
don't know where he lives, you stalker.
Adam, what is the answer?
I don't know. I don't have a piece of. We'll get a piece of paper and solve it out.
Wait,
Okay,
negative
yes,
1.
you have a piece of paper. Do I need to call your mom and get you a piece of paper?
What were you doing, Aziz? That was so important.
Alright, what was the question again?
So look at the screen now. So we already complete the square, okay? And
Yeah.
then we want to find the vertex using that complete square form. 2, negative 1. Thank you. Akash, is that 2, negative 1?
What happened to that minus?
So we said the vertex is over here. It's over here, the number after the minus.
Yeah.
Okay? All right, let's do the shifting thing again. Okay, tell me what transformation.
Okay, down 1.
Down 1?
Bro, these chats are getting okay, and
Down
then
1, right 2.
Right 2.
2.
Okay, down 1, right 2. My vertex used to be 0, 0. You move down 1, right 2. What did that turn to?
Negative 2. I mean,
1.
2, negative 1.
2, negative 1. That's where this come from. Okay, Akash?
Yes.
All right, right 2. Because x, for x part, is opposite. Okay, so it's 2, negative 1. All right, axis. X equals to what?
Yeah, I need to find x into 17. Oh, okay.
X equals to just what this number is. 2. Okay?
X is equal to.
All right, how to find x intercept?
Set y is 0.
Set y equals to 0. So x minus 2 square. Ooh. Okay, I'm sorry about that.
They're just coming for you.
Because that's Adam himself.
Okay, well, what's happened? All right, I only have 2 screen. I cannot monitor what they said in the comment either. So let me.
They're literally coming for Adam.
Because Adam is the guy.
Adam, you solve the problem for me, okay?
Adam clearly was asleep and he didn't even know the question. His mom should be should be called, or you have to shout at him.
All right, thank you, Tim. I don't know what. You know what? I gave up. Okay, let's look at this question. All right, so set the y equal to 0 and solve for it. Akash, what I need to do?
Set y to 0.
I already did.
Oh, plus 1.
Plus 1 each side. Minus 2 square equals to 1. Okay, Adam, what next?
Square root both sides.
Square root both sides.
X minus 2 equals 1.
X minus 2 equals to 1. Or
X minus 2 equals negative 1.
negative 1. Okay? Okay, solve it. X equals to what?
X is equal to...
X is equal to 3.
Is that 3?
And
X equals to 1.
Okay, so this is your answer. Alright, and x-intercept give me 2 coordinates. 3, 0, and 1, 0. Okay, and according to the transformation, you know how to graph it, right? You just move the original function down 1, right 2.
Yep.
Okay, alright, awesome. So this is a very big chunk of what we're doing. Finding the standard form by complete the square, and then use the standard form to get the vertex, axis, intercepts, and the graph. Alright.
Okay.
Are we good? Can we move on?
What's new, Missy?
Nothing is new.
Are you gonna go somewhere over break, or are you just gonna stay home?
I gonna stay home. Spring break is gone.
They're quarantining everything. Everybody's gonna be stuck in their house for, I think, 2 weeks.
Alright, so write the standard form, example 4, okay? Write the standard form of a quadratic equation whose graph is a parabola with vertex at 1, 2, and passes through the point 3, negative 6. So first of all, I'm gonna write you the standard form for a parabola, which is on the top of your screen, on the top of your worksheet, okay? Okay, let's plug in number. So where 1, 2 gonna go?
What's A and what's A, what's X, and what's H, Missy?
H and K is the vertex. So the note is over here. H, K is the vertex. And A is just a number. We don't know what that is yet. So what I gonna plug in H? Okay, so
X is equal to H.
so over here, look, this is negative 2, negative 1. I said the vertex is 2, 1. So this one is your x of your vertex. This one is your y of your vertex, right? So we are going backward. So this number should be what? What is H?
I don't know what you're talking about, Missy.
So H should be x of the vertex, which be 1. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my computer. H is 1, okay? And K will be y of the vertex, which will be 2.
Okay, but what points are we using? 1 and 2?
We're using the vertex over here,
Okay.
okay?
1 and 2. Okay.
Yes, 1 plug in H, 2 plug in K. And then they said pass through the point 3, negative 6. Now the only thing we don't know is A, right? So next step we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in.
We don't know A and X.
We don't know A, X we don't need because that's a variable. Plug in for X, Y. And solve for A. So I will plug in Y is negative 6. So negative 6. So over here I plug in negative 6. And here I plug in 3. Okay? And we're going to solve for A. Are you following me?
Yeah.
Alright, so what is 3 minus 1 squared?
It's a 4.
Is that 4? Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
4a plus 2 equals to negative 6. And then what do you do?
Subtract
minus
between
the
parts, so
two.
8 equals 4a, so negative 2.
So
Negative
what?
8 equals 4a.
Minus 2 each side, negative 8 equals to 4a. A equals
Yeah.
to
-2.
negative 2. So we're gonna write this back. And then we're gonna plug a equals to negative 2 in. So this is your final answer. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So first step 1, let me put the step here. We're gonna use the vertex, plug in vertex. Vertex is HK. Okay? And then number 2, you're gonna plug in the point, solve for A.
But see, what time do you wake up to do this thing?
Huh?
What time do you wake up to do this?
I did it at night. Like when you guys leave, I do the worksheet and stuff. And then when I wake up, I just set up the live stream
Well, what
and
time
stuff.
do you wake up for this? Like,
Oh, every day? Today I wake up at 8:30.
oh yeah, quit, Miss Tia, quit. You need to wake up at 8:30.
I don't understand these teachers. Like, you have a vacation. Use it.
Yeah, it's all hardest work.
Okay, this is not a vacation, guys. This is not my first time or the last time to tell you. This is not a vacation. This is a
What is
time.
this?
This is a time that is very difficult for everybody, and like we cannot go to school, so we have to learn at home.
Well, you don't have to.
Okay, but I understand that. And, like, some of these teachers are literally giving us, okay, for English, we just got to read 60 pages in a book and do a reading log. And then another class, you just do 2 worksheets, which is 1 worksheet per week. And then, like, we're just learning this. Okay, I get it. And then Miss Smith over here wants to overdo it and give us, like, a bunch of stuff to do.
It's only 15 questions.
Hold on. With those 15 topics, there's you gotta show your work for that.
No,
And
you
then
have to show your work for Alex topic. You have to show your work for the pre-calc one.
no, she said for both.
Oh yeah, but I don't have any work for my 15 topics.
Yeah, she wants work for the 15 topics, and then she wants work for the other thing, but I'm already done with the other thing. I did the hard copy.
All right, congratulations. I don't know. I just feel like I don't really necessarily have a lot of things for you to do. I just want you to learn. You know this, and that's good. Do you want me just give you a worksheet? I can do that.
No, you would fail.
You will fail. All right, I'd rather you just like go over something with me. We don't do too much every day, and I just do like regular what we do in class. What do you
Yeah.
think?
I like this.
All right.
I'm concerned about you, Miss Tia.
Shall we use the next 5 minutes get the next question done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or we can just talk about life, Miss Tia.
No live talking. Okay, it's too much live talking. Plug in
What is life, anyway?
Okay, plug in vertex HK. So again, you will have A over here, and what is your H? What is your K?
-4 and 11.
-4. Plug in -4. Okay, very good. Thank you for that. And square and 11 plus 11. Okay, I did this. And then you're gonna plug in the point you know to solve for A. What is the point you know? -6, 15, right?
Yeah, -15.
Okay, you're gonna plug in that for X and Y and solve for A.
15 equals.
Ooh, 15 equals A.
Wait, y is 15, right?
Yes, Y is
Yeah, Y
15.
So A is -6?
A you don't know yet, so just leave it blank for right now. Okay, so leave it A. And then what is X?
X is -6.
-6. Okay.
Yeah, -6 minus -4
Yep. Square plus.
plus 11.
We just need to solve for that. Okay.
Yep.
So what is -6 minus -4?
Wait, Miss Tia, how come we didn't know the actual number?
-2.
Negative 2 squared is 4. Okay.
Negative 2 squared is 4.
All right, Akash, what's your question?
4
The first one, you said x is just a variable. How come x is not a variable here?
So A is 1.
Well, we are because we know x and y, so we need to plug in x and y, solve for a. Eventually, when you get your final answer, x, y are variable, so x, y should be there. Okay, subtract by 11 each side. 4 equals to 4a. A equals to what?
What happened to that 6?
Huh?
What happened to that 6? You didn't do anything with the 6.
Where's 6?
Right there on 50.
This one? Negative 6, 15?
Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay, so I just plug back in whatever it is. Okay.
Minus 11 on both sides. 4 equals 4a.
And then a is 1, so it's fine. And minus negative 4 is just plus 4. Oh, okay, what happened? Plus 4. Say again, what? Okay,
What's the final answer?
this is the final answer.
Y equals plus 4 squared plus 11.
X plus 4 squared plus 11, yes.
What happened to that 1? Why did you plug in the 1?
The 1 is in front of it, so 1 multiply anything is just that thing, so I didn't put it there. Okay? Alright, so just one sentence for the last question. Last question, you ask you for the maximum height of the baseball. If you see a real life question like this, what you need to do is just plug in your calculator or decimal to find the maximum point. That is your answer, okay?
Miss Teller just hit it.
Yep, there's nothing else I want to say. You just need to know what the question actually talk about and then see what they are asking and use decimal as your tool. Okay, I don't expect you to use the formula for maximum for anything because that is, for me, that is not unnecessary. Okay, so this is all for today. And let me pull myself back so I can talk to you very quick before I let you go.
I have another call. Shoot.
All right, can you see me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jeff froze.
Man, the Khan Academy, you should put that yesterday. Yeah, I would do it yesterday.
Okay.
I'm gonna finish that in like 30 minutes.
I'm gonna start at 2 or 3.
Okay. There is a technical issue happening here. Alright, so basically you cannot see me because I don't know what's wrong with my camera.
I see you.
You see me? How? Alright, but anyway, if you see me again, then you'll see me again. If you don't see me, I hope you have a good spring break. And before spring break, we do not have any session. I will assign you about 8 Khan Academy to do tomorrow and also during spring break. That will be due. Say again, what?
We're not gonna call you, right, for the rest of the week because of spring break?
Yes, unless you want to.
No, see, I'm fine.
Okay, I'm fine too. So spring break, you just have fun during the spring break, and when we come back that Monday, I will call you. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So that Monday, hopefully we can finish 3.2, which is, I believe, it's about I don't know what that is about. Something about quadratic. No quadratic. All right. I will post on your. Hold on. Okay, I'm curious actually. What is that?
Did you find some Chinese herb?
Chinese herb for your hair?
Yeah, I was serious.
You know what? People are being racist online. They said like they ask if Chinese herb can cure coronavirus. Like I'm like, are you not very smart or something?
You never know.
Yeah, but well, I don't think so though. I think herbs are most likely to help you with your like body and like to adjust your body to a good condition, not for cure a
That'd be
disease.
perfect to grow cancer too.
Okay, that if that's what you believe, good luck with that. Okay,
Don't you think so, Miss Yen?
I don't think so, sir.
Oh, come on. See you continue. Bye bye.
Okay, stop. All right. So Monday after spring break, we're gonna deal with polynomial functions with more than 2 degree. Okay.
Okay.
A lot of you guys are learning it, right? Like right now in pre-calc, right?
No, we're still learning about logs because she can't teach us anything new.
Okay. So that's good because we're gonna hate log very soon too. So that will be good.
Oh, there's more than Mr. Tucker as pre-calc teachers?
Yes. Okay, so but anyway, Monday don't forget, okay? I will remind you again Sunday night using Google Classroom. So don't forget to contact me and I will put some preview for you on there so you need to try to figure out yourself. Watch videos, whatever you need, okay?
Sure.
Okay, and email me if you have any question and I hope you have a good spring break. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Bye. I'm knocking everything over. Okay. All right. Bye. Have fun. Keep in touch. Okay.
Bye, Miss Dion.
Bye. I will stop this.